video tour. We lost our magnolia tree. Generator's running. I don't know if you can see all the debris. It's everywhere. Neighbors have stuff down. It's absolutely nutso out here. So much crap. Thank God for the generator. Huge branch over here. Not exactly sure where that fell from, but it's a big son of a gun. Looks like we're gonna have some problems with the trampoline in the backyard. This poor magnolia tree, that sucks. Backyard's crazy town. It's gonna get loud. It's the generator, but you can see there's a tree over there that fell on the fence. Fucking branches everywhere. Probably not the smartest man in the world still walking around out here under these trees, but bored to tears. Backyard over the fence is crazy. Tons of shit down. Hard to see. That big tree snapped and it's just kind of being held up by others. There's one that got completely out of its roots. Several huge branches there, bunch over there. This guy, absolute huge, absolute level of one of the Adirondack chairs. I don't even know what's going on here. Big ass branch. Just all sorts of stuff. Pool is obviously filled with debris and draining very slowly. Cleanup's going to be a pain in the neck. This big branch and this other big branch over here fell down and they were on top of the bottle brush, and I wanted to save the bottle brush, so I came out here earlier and pulled these off in the middle of it. It was not, again, the smartest move, but I'm tired of replacing this bottle brush. Oh, this sucks. This sucks. Man. Oh. Fence blew down. Holy shit. This is a monster. You can see some of these snapped off there, and snapped off way high up there. This branch is enormous. Okay. Well, that's the damage. Bunch of leaves and shit on the roof, but that's it. Fuck you, Beryl.